Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and milky puff puff, which you can enjoy with your family in the morning or as a snack in the daytime. It's also going to help those who are looking for a small business to start. You can start puff puff business. So let's get into the video. I'll start by adding some all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. I'm using 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll leave the ingredients and their measurements in my description box below. Next, I'll add a tablespoon of yeast. I'm using active yeast. If you're not sure that the yeast is active, mix it with a small warm water and the sugar first. Next, I added some sugar and I'll go ahead and add my mixed milk flavor. That is powdered milk with some milk flavor in it. And I also adding nutmeg, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'll mix everything together and also add half a teaspoon of salt. After mixing in the salt, I'll then make a small hole and start adding water to it. I'm using lukewarm water. I'll add it little by little and mix. I'm adding little by little so as to not over mix it with water. Mixing it with the water. In all, I used 3 cups of water. The next step now is to cover it and allow it to rise for about 1 or 2 hours. Yes, you can leave it for up to 2 hours. And here we are after 1 hour 30 minutes. I left it for 90 minutes and in fact you overrose. So I'll just mix it 1 or 2 times with my spatula so as to remove the air in it. And the next stage will be to fry. So we'll go ahead now and heat up some oil and start. Your hand to scoop in the batter into the oil. I have other videos of how to make puff puff and I also use different methods here to scoop in the batter. You can check that in my YouTube channel, Treasure Kitchen, and I will also leave the link in my description box below. I will continue to fry and flip over until it becomes golden brown. And I'm using medium heat for this. Do not use high heat so that it will not get burnt without frying inside or without cooking inside. And when you are okay with the color or the frying, it is time to take it out from the oil and transfer into your sieve or basket. And here we have our puff puff ready to be enjoyed. This was so delicious. You will keep making it this way after trying this recipe. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and also share to your friends and families. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.